finally show you something from my workshop here. I've taken most of the mock-up down because we're actually built almost everything and we're starting to get into installing in the van. We had all this extra plywood left over and it was all going to go in the garbage, and I suggested we make some assembly tables. Like I made this assembly table out of, and they really need some more tables. So got one of the young guys here working with me today. We've taken all this extra plywood and cut it up into pieces, and we're going to be making 5 tables like this, except they'll be slightly wider and slightly longer. So I've been showing him how to cut all the pieces the same on the chop saw, and we used the table saw before, and now we've made up a jig here where 2 pieces like this go in on the bottom, and then one long piece will go on top there, and then we're going to screw and nail everything down, and that makes either an apron, this part here, or the stringer on the bottom, and that'll go between the legs, and so it's a double width underneath there. And so he's going to make all those up today, and then tomorrow we'll make up the side pieces and the tops and the legs, and we'll make 5 of these tables. So it's a really good use because this wood otherwise was just going to go in the dump, and this particular young guy had a little bit of free time right now. He's kind of between projects here, and so we put him to work doing this, and it's great. And I'm busily working on, I can't show you, it's over here just off camera over there, the last cabinet for the camper, and when that's done, then we got some finishing to do, and then we start installing everything in the camper, and we've got to get her done. Haven't been able to show you anything for a while, but finally got to show you something. Anyways, take care. Just wanted to say a quick hi to everybody. I haven't been putting any videos out because the work I'm doing, I'm not allowed to video or film anything, but we're coming near the end of that. The workshop has changed again up here. I'm here for another week, 2 weeks I think, and we should get her done by then. But I just wanted to say thanks for being patient and waiting for videos. I just haven't had time to do them, or I've had anything to really film because I've been working here full time. Generally leave the house before 8 o'clock in the morning and get home 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. So, and then on the weekends I got a few things on the go, but those aren't, I don't know, just not really worth filming, I guess. So anyways, everybody, take care. Bye.